Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Lieutenant General D.P. Pandey, motivational speaker and defense expert, shared powerful insights from his military background. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today, we have with us a very special guest. He is Lieutenant General D.P. Pandey, motivational speaker and defense expert. So, welcome to the summit, sir. How's your experience being here?
Good. I enjoyed.
Thank you so much, sir. So, my question to you is from commanding in high altitude terrains to addressing educational audiences, how has your military experience shaped your message for India's youth?
Yeah, it has been awesome because if you feel for the nation, you work for the nation, you don't feel the pressures.
Right.
So you may operate anywhere, you may be tough terrain or you may be amongst the educationists.
Right.
You feel comfortable because you're trained for this kind of a job.
Absolutely, sir. Any message to the students or teachers there, to help the children building their character and inculcating patriotism among them?
Yeah, so while school is the only place where a focus of time and effort is placed on a child, and therefore it's very important that the couple of pillars which you need to function and work on is academic. Everybody does, but you need to also encourage sports.
Right.
And a very important facet is developing moral values and stuff which is required for a social value system in which the child, when he grows up, is part of the society, is valuable member, and that is very, very important for a teacher to contribute towards a society in which he or she is working.
Absolutely, sir. Any core values from our armed forces that you think that should be implemented in schools for the better?
I think from the armed forces wise again, as long as you develop a love for your nation, for your country and your civilization, I think that is very important because other facets will come as you are nurtured towards this direction.
Absolutely.
Therefore, issues like discipline and others, commitment to work and all will come eventually. But
Right.
in case you focus towards the nation building, I think all other facets will come easily.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views. And it was an absolute delight to have you here. It was a wonderful session that you presented. Thank you so much. We are absolutely delighted.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.